The Xiaomi Poco M8 Pro is a value-focused mid-range smartphone that excels by offering a premium experience through a stunning 1.5K AMOLED display, robust durability, and long-lasting battery life with ultra-fast charging. Its main trade-offs are the presence of some software bloatware and a camera system that, while capable for everyday use, doesn't match flagship photography standards. Here are the pros, cons, special features and an overall conclusion of this phone. 4 pros. Exceptional display. It features a large 6.83-inch 1.5K quad-curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an impressive 3200 nits peak brightness, ensuring excellent visibility in direct sunlight. It also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+ for a great multimedia experience. Strong durability. The device boasts multiple high IP ratings, IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K, for water and dust resistance, a feature typically seen in much more expensive flagship phones or specialized rugged devices. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Long-lasting battery and fast charging. A massive 6,500 mAh silicon-carbon battery provides exceptional endurance, easily lasting over a full day with heavy use. The 100W hypercharge support allows the phone to charge fully in around 40 minutes. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 processor, the phone handles daily tasks, multitasking, and most games smoothly, positioning it well in the upper mid-range segment. The Poco Ice Loop cooling system helps maintain performance. Good software support. Xiaomi has committed to 4 years of major Android OS updates and 6 years of security patches, which is excellent for a mid-range phone. 4 cons. Software bloatware/ads. The HyperOS software comes with pre-installed apps and occasional ads in system apps, which can be a minor annoyance for users preferring a cleaner experience. No charger in some regions. While many regions bundle the 100W charger, some markets, like the UK or EU versions mentioned in sources, may not include it in the box, requiring a separate purchase. Camera limitations. The dual camera setup, 50MP main with OIS, 8MP ultra-wide, is reliable for everyday photography, but it lacks a telephoto lens and low-light shots can be tricky. The front camera maxes out at 1080p for video recording. No wireless charging. The phone lacks support for wireless charging, a feature found in some competing models in higher price brackets. These product pages and reviews summarize the key features, including the 1.5K display, 6,500 mAh battery, and Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 processor, of the Xiaomi Poco M8 Pro. Special features. Silicon-carbon battery tech. Unlike standard Li-ion, this tech offers higher energy density and better performance in extreme cold. 400% volume boost. The symmetrical stereo speakers feature a ultra volume mode that pushes output significantly higher for outdoor listening. Poco Surge chips, equipped with the Surge P3, charging management, and Surge G1, battery health, chips to ensure the battery remains healthy for up to 6 years. AI integration. Deeply integrated with Google Gemini and Circle to Search, alongside Xiaomi's AI Erase and AI Sky features for photo editing. Overall conclusion. The Poco M8 Pro 5G is a specialized device. It is arguably the best choice on the market for outdoor enthusiasts, heavy media consumers, and travelers who prioritize battery life and physical toughness above all else. However, if you are a hardcore mobile gamer or a power user who moves large files frequently, the older UFS 2.2 storage might feel like a drag. It's a pro phone built for endurance and reliability rather than raw, cutting-edge speed.